Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Libra for November 2021. So watch this video if you're a Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram where I keep on sharing about law of attraction, manifestation, I also have a crystal store where I provide crystal healing and crystals like these. So if you want to get something from my crystal store, then the link is in the description. You can just send us a Instagram message and my team is going to help you with that. All right. So now let us see your reading, Libra, for November for your love and general messages. So give me messages for Libra. Give me general message for Libra, please. What do my Libra needs to know? Five of Swords. Ooh. Some of you might be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I see that you have a lot of competition around you. Like you are in a situation where it's like ride or die kind of moment, and you have to basically compete with people and you have to secure a spot. So things are pretty intense when it comes to your surroundings. There could also be bad mouthing about you, so be very careful. Like somebody might just appear something else and they are totally a different person, so be very careful when you tell somebody about your plans, your secrets. Don't try to close your eyes and trust somebody is what this card is basically asking you to do. Be little alert, all right? Be little vigilant, be little alert. What else? Two of Wands. I see very soon you will be in a position where you will be, between two choices and you will be making a decision regarding a situation. Some of you, it's like you're right now doing the groundwork and you're just trying to see what option works best for you. Now, this could be that you might get two career opportunities and then you have to choose between them, or maybe you just have two options related to career or finance or some personal life situation of yours, and very soon it's like you had been delaying this for some time maybe, or you had been doing your groundwork, that's why you were not leaping into it. But now finally within 2 weeks I see that you will be making a decision or a choice about a situation. And I see that whatever competition was bothering you here, you are going to get past it and you're going to do really well. Yeah, exactly, the Empress card. So some sort of abundance, some sort of position of authority, some sort of gain, like a windfall situation is happening for you. So yeah, you were in a tense situation where you had to compete with people or you had to secure your spot. But I see you have done it very well because you took your time and you did the research and then you took your action, and it is all going to lead you to a lot of abundance and stability coming in for you. All right, Queen of Cups is again here. So some of you definitely, I see some sort of windfall, sudden money or sudden growth opportunity coming in, but the only sign of caution for you is to not trust people, closing your eyes. This is not the time to trust people blindly. Just be little careful of who you tell what. All right. Okay, now let's see love messages for Libra. What is coming towards Libra in love? Coming towards Libra in love. Page of Cups. There could be a water sign. Some of you have a water or a fire sign that's coming towards you, and you might be leaving behind an air sign. Some sort of, yeah, ooh. There's like a soulmate connection, like soulmate shit happening here. Some of you, wow, that's really nice. You might have not anticipated this, but I see somebody coming in with a lot of love towards you. Like this bitch is in love with you. They imagine of having kids with you. This person is looking for marriage with you. So Libra, who is this person who's going gaga over you? Some of it's a Leo, it could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Somebody is just trying to see how they can make a move towards you, and this person is rushing in basically. So somebody is like, they're just trying to see how they can come towards you, but they are very sure about you, you know, that kind of a person. Somebody's like rushing in to communicate with you, rushing in to tell you something, rushing in with a message. Some of you, this person made you pregnant, or you made them something about pregnancy is also very prominent here, because we have the Empress and the Sun card, which shows a child here. So maybe There was pregnancy involved. So, or maybe after the pregnancy, this person is realizing that they cannot live without you. Something about that. If you're pregnant, I see this pregnancy is going to bring you guys together. And if you're not pregnant, then this person wants to have like a be all end all with you. They want to have kids with you. This person is very fond of kids. Yeah, this person is looking for a long term with you. Somebody is in love, Libra. Four of Swords. However, you are quite skeptical, is what I feel. And that could be because this person might have acted like a fuckboy or a fuckgirl in the past. So that's why you cannot trust this person. Or maybe this person, like at one moment they are completely into you and the other moment they are not there. So this person might be a little on and off for your type. You feel you are very mature and this person is not as mature. So that's why you might not be quite trusting this person. However, I see this person is not going anywhere from you and this person wants you. Some of you, this person also lives at a distance. So maybe distance is a problem between both of you. You are not ready to do a long distance right now because you feel you can't trust a long distance connection. Some of you, that could be a problem because Chariot card shows a long distance journey, right? So some of you, this person is literally coming from a distance. All right, so that's something which makes you cautious as well because you're like, this person lives at a distance. We met on internet, or we will have to do a lot of internet things, so I'm not ready for it. So that could be your mindset right now. That's why you are just quite very apprehensive of saying yes to this person. However, they have a lot of passion for you. There could be a fire sign or a water sign very strongly in your energy. What's going to be the outcome here between Libra and this person? King of Swords, you're going to take your own time. You're not going to say yes to this person. You're being very logical. But I see if you both put in equal efforts, there is a potential for marriage. You know, King of Swords is also a marriage card, and it is basically a connection which is all about balance. So this connection is something which is all about balance. It's not going to be a one-sided connection. And Libra, you're also very logical towards this connection. Like you have made your mind that until and unless a person comes with equal footing, like if this person puts in equal effort, only then you're going to say yes. You don't want to become a mama or a dad to somebody, right? Like you have your mind pretty straight that I am not going to pet anybody, or I'm not going to become a mother or father to anybody. So that's why you're just taking your own time and you want to see if this person is mature enough for you to say yes to them. And the reason could be that you're not able to trust this person is that either they appeared like a fuckboy, fuckgirl to you, or maybe there's like distance between both of you. So you are taking your own sweet time before saying yes to them. So maybe November could not be a time when you will say yes to them. But yeah, November, like in next 2 weeks, you will be forced to make some sort of decision for sure. So maybe this person asks you to make a decision, or maybe a situation happens where you have to tell yourself whether it's a yes or a no from your side, you know, that kind of thing, or whether you want to stay or you want to leave, that thing. But there is love here, you know, this is like one of those soulmate shit happening here between both of you. Who gives a shit, right? Okay, what is Libra feelings towards this person? Okay, so bitch, you're looking for a new beginning with this person. What are you telling me? Don't tell me otherwise in the comments. For people who are watching this for a specific person, and of course you're watching for somebody, like you want to get some sort of answer, otherwise you would have been watching Netflix. So yeah, for whoever you are inquiring about, Libra, you have feelings. Two of Cups and Ace of Wands, you're definitely looking for a new beginning with this person. Some of you want to connect with this person, but you're not going to show it very evidently to this person, but you have feelings. You definitely have feelings and you're looking forward to good times, commitment, equal give and take, balance, and all of that. Some of you also feel that there is a very intense connection. So it's not a mumbo jumbo connection that we just come across on a daily basis. No. This is one of those deep soulmate kind of connection, and you feel the intensity. That's when you're not able to let go of it completely. So what is Libra's next action towards this person? Eight of Wands. You want this person to come towards you with clear communication. You are not ready to put in the effort. You are shying away from communication. You might be also blocking communication. You're just trying to show this person that you're not interested. You're also very confused about them, but you want them to do all the work. So you want somebody to basically come forward and give you the clarity that you're seeking. And you're just trying to be at a safe distance. So are you like social distancing from this person? However, you know there is like a deep connection here. Let's see how this person feels about you. Four of Cups. They are seeing that you're ignoring them. This person thinks you're ignoring them. This person thinks that you're trying to move away from them. They think you want to be left alone. The situation is going on a stagnation because of both of you not doing the thing. So this person knows that, you're just trying to isolate yourself from them. They're quite aware of it. So don't think that your games are not evident to them. It's pretty evident to them. They know that you are not going to chase them. You're not chasing them. And they know that you are going to ignore them. There's a lot of stagnation here. It's like a lot of potential is there, but because of no action, the connection is going at a standstill. Seven of Pentacles. This person is still very hopeful. They think with time things are going to improve. So they're not giving up on you, but they also know that you're not going to be very evidently pursuing this person. So they know that you're very closed off. However, they are going to wait for you. This person is not going anywhere. Some of you, this person feels that you're just trying to, be in your own shelf and you're not trying to come out. Like, they know that you have a lot of apprehensions to open up to them. But there is like possibility of commitment here, I'm telling you. It's like you just fuck this connection with your inconsistency, both of you, you and your person. There's like a lot of potential here. What is the obstacle here? Why is Libra not committing or looking forward to this connection? Wheel of Fortune. You think this person cannot be relied upon. You think this person is one time in and the other time out. Some of you, this person has addiction issues, or maybe they just, I won't say addiction for sure, but maybe they're just too much, right? They don't have balance. So when they party a lot. When they drink a lot. When whatever they do, they don't do it in moderation. They do it in extremes, and that is why you feel this person is very immature. And they need to level up or, just change something about them before you can accept them. So that's why you're very confused. You think this person is very on and off and very unstable. So their inconsistency basically turns you off. And that's why you're not speaking to them. And they know you're not going to speak to them, or you're not speaking to them. Knight of Pentacles. This connection is gonna work out, but it's gonna happen in very slowly. So very slowly you guys are going to get together. Ace of Cups. There is like, I keep on seeing that there is emotions. This connection has emotions. There are underlying emotions. That's why you both are not able to let go. But it's like they think you are not interested and you think they are inconsistent. That's why it's taking time. But I see ultimately it's going to pick up. Some of you, you're already married. That's why no matter what you do, you guys cannot really break off. And for others of you, there's a child involved, or maybe there's like a lot of emotions. Like this is a soulmate. So yeah, no matter how much you juggle and how much you do whatever, trying to stay away from each other, you guys are going to bounce back. Now let's see for my singles. So this is for people who are waiting for somebody. Like this person, this idiot is not going anywhere. Anything for my singles? What's coming towards my singles, please? Four of Pentacles. There's a commitment possible. However, you are very closed off. Some of you singles, you're focusing on your money, so you think the honey can wait and let me just focus on money. So yeah, like maybe you're not pursuing relationship actively, but if you do, there's like a wish fulfillment. So if you have been hoping for commitment, or if you had been dreaming of for like a rich person to come into your life, because Four of Pentacles is a businessman who's very rich, right? Or this is somebody who's like very rich, they have the shit together kind of thing. So yeah, if you had been a little materialistic lately and you wanted like a rich person to come into your life, Libra, I feel a rich person is going to come into your life. Or like a wish fulfillment is happening in your love life. You are going to get somebody who's very rich. Queen of Pentacles. Talk about rich, and the Queen of Pentacle appears in the Lover's card. Like, I'm not saying this person is going to be only rich and like an asshole. No, no, no. Like, this person is going to be good, but they are also going to be rich. All right. So this, for my singles, I definitely feel like you're hitting a jackpot in relationship. You always wanted to be in a very fulfilling relationship, which is not only emotionally fulfilling but monetary wise as well, like a sugar daddy or sugar mama. I see that's gonna happen. So some sort of money kind of person coming into your life who's like very rich. This person is going to take you to vacations and all of that. However, you feel you're too busy for love right now. So that can be that. Or maybe this person is very busy because they make a lot of money. They might be shortly very busy as well, right? But however, yeah, like if you give this a shot and if you be a little patient, this has potential. All right. Unrequited love. Exactly. See, right now you feel that you're not ready for love or you don't want love. But if you open up yourself, there's a potential. Somebody's going to flirt with you. Libra. Somebody wants your attention. All right. Give me message for Libra, please. Let your friends help you. Some of you, there's a person coming towards you, but they are going to come through your friends. So maybe they approach your friends to approach you. All right. So this person could be your best friend's friend or your somebody's friend's cousin's friend or something like that. All right. Or maybe they just try to take help of your friends to reach out to you. So be wary of that. All right. Give me message for what does Libra's person wants to say to Libra. What does Libra's person want to say to Libra? Will you marry me? Didn't I tell you? I was just telling you this through the entire reading that you guys will end up together. There is somebody you're going to end up together with whom you're having a lot of on and off right now. Or maybe this person lives at a distance. I want to give you all the happiness in the world. See, I told you this person wants to spoil you. They have money. Somebody wants to spoil you. They want to be your sugar daddy or sugar mama. Ask them to transfer some money into my account as well, alright? You can do that for your favorite tarot reader, isn't it? Alright, give me one more message. One more message for Libra. You complete me. This person thinks you complete them. Yeah. There is somebody who is in love with you. You are not aware or you think, what is this girl talking about? But yes, see the messages. This is what they want to tell to you. This is no joke. So yeah, Libra, you guys not going anywhere. You guys are going to bounce back because this is some soulmate shit going on here. Deep emotions. You both are not able to break free from each other. So you're going to end up together. Alright. So that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. And happy Halloween. Yeah, that's about it. I will see you in the next video. You guys take care. Bye.